It's the GODOX iM30 compact flash. It is compact and portable. It features 7 stops of power adjustment that's up to 1/64th power, Slave 1 and 2 optical control, and uses AAA batteries. Of course, it includes an owner's manual for you to read, but one of my favorite features about this is how compact and small this flash is. You can control the power switch there, and you can turn on and off it right there. And here is where the AAA batteries go. And guess what? You can use this with any camera you have. There is the flash in the front. Let's turn it on, adjust the power, and you're ready to go. And it's not that much bigger than the GODOX X3N flash trigger. And it fits perfectly on top of my camera.